Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about the award tool in D2L. So there's two types of an award that an instructor can issue to his students. Those would be the badges or the certificates. Badges are digital markers that represent the accomplishment based on criteria determined by the instructors of the courses. Certificates in PDF form are also awarded based on criteria determined by the instructor of the course. In this video, you're going to see how to create a badge as also creating a certificate of a course. So let's dive in and see how easy it is to set those up. First up, we're going to go and create an award. So once you're in your course, select More Tools, Awards. You will see the students on the class list, and you're going to select Course Awards. You have two options. Typically, we're going to leave these checked. It's just allowing your students to be able to share these with an external site. And now we're going to select Add Award to Course. When you're ready, select Create. Add an award name, description, and criteria. I now have my information filled out, and I'm going to continue building my award. Scroll down to the second portion of the award and let's begin filling this out. We're going to leave the award type as badge. Under availability, do you want to restrict this award to just this course, or do you want to make it award available to other creators, or maybe just only all of your courses? So make your selection and then continue down to the expiry date. Typically, I would say you're probably going to have no expiry date, but maybe with specific awards or badges, you might have to use expiry dates. That'll be up to you. If you need to, you would fill in the date here or the time period that it is going to stay relevant. So let's continue on and go down and go into the exciting part of choosing an award image. So you have the option of choosing from an existing library, which you can scroll through and see all the choices that you get to select here. Or you can even go and upload a new icon. But you also have this ability where you can create your own award image. So you can spend a little bit of time in playing in here, but just to make this video a little bit quicker, we're going to go and select from an existing library. And this one is for high achieving on a midterm, so it's pretty important. So we're going to look for a high achieving one. I'm going to select this badge star, and I'm just going to click on select. And now you get to see that that's there. And now I'm going to go down and I'm going to fill out the issuer, a URL, and the contact name. I have the issuer information filled out and I've got this word here and I'm just going to click Save and Close. Now I'm going to go in and let's go and edit some properties. I want to have this award hidden until it's earned, and let's go and now make that award going to go to those students with this release condition. So we're going to go select on that create, and we're going to go find that midterm. Go through and create that condition. You're going to select that condition type, and this is a midterm, so I'm going to know that it's going to be that score on that quiz. And I'm going to select midterm, and then I'm going to select greater than or equal to 90%, and I'm going to select create. So now you get to see that when the student takes that midterm within D2L and they receive 90% or equal, they will get this course award. And I'm going to click on save. You can give them extra credits for this, but I'm just not going to do that here. And I'm just going to click on save. And that's how you create an award, which is the badge within D2L. Next up, we're going to create certificates. Creating a certificate is the same process as creating an award. So we're just going to go through these steps a little bit quicker. I'm going to click Add Award, and we're going to go Create, and we're going to name, description, criteria, same as what we did creating an award, but this is going to be a certificate. So here I have the certificate name, the description, and the criteria. In the award type, instead of badge, you're going to select certificate. It's really important to notice here that these certificates are not to be replaced the parchment at graduation. These are just certificate of completion of the course, not the same as the parchment. So I'm going to continue on and we're going to go down to the availability. In this one, I'm just going to restrict it here just to this one. I'm not going to use any expiry date. You do have to add a course image for the award, and I'm just going to find something here. I'm going to select badge ribbon. And I'm going to click on select. And now this is where I'm going to use the existing template in there. And in this one, I'm just going to select number 5. And I'm going to add in the issuer, URL, and the contact name. Now that I have this all filled out, I'm just going to click save and close. And now that I have that there, I'm going to go in and edit. And this is where you're going to have that restriction. So this criteria, the students graduate. And in order to release this to the students, we want to make sure that the students who have achieved that specific grade are getting this certificate. So this is where you're going to use that release condition. And this is where I'm going to select this condition, released final grade score in this instance. And then I'm going to say final grade is released and it satisfies the criteria. So we want to make sure that these students have passed. It said 60%. Select create, save, and there we go. So now I want to show you what this is going to look like. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to select the class list awards and say I want to give this here to Awesome Thor. We're going to give this to him. And then I'm going to select a manual issue. I'm going to select issue. And then I'm going to select the award and then give evidence. And then I'm going to select issue. And now under Awesome Thor, I can click on this and I can generate that certificate. It's going to download. And now you get to see that that criteria is automatically filled out for your student. So that's creating a certificate and how to create an award within D2L.